Hi everybody, Joe Kane here of Rocks Coronado. And the other day I posted a picture on Facebook and Instagram of some art that I was selling, and in the background was a shot of some of these extra large rocks that I had sitting on the shelf here. And I got a few people asking me, you know, those are beautiful, but what do people do with those rocks? So I just wanted to make a quick video and just kind of tell you how some people use these rocks when they buy them from me, because these are pretty big rocks. They're about 8 to 12 inches across. Some of them are 4 or 5 inches tall when they're laying there, kind of like, let me show you this one here. And it's probably, this may be 20 pounds, I don't know. Look at this thing. That's a big rock, okay? Admittedly, that's a big rock. And they're great to work with painting-wise because it gives you a lot of space to work. But so anyway, let me show you some pictures of how some people use them for around their house or whatever in their decor. And I'll quickly tell you, like, for instance, all right, I'll put a photo up of each of these, but some people use them as a centerpiece on a table, okay? Some people use them as on their doorstep, just as sort of a decoration on their doorstep, front door, back door, whatever. You can also use it as an accent piece in your garden. So if you have, a little corner somewhere that you think needs a little bit of bling, perfect for that. Some people use them for landscaping. So you can see several rocks here, along with some driftwood that I got from the beach. Some people display them on a bookshelf, just like you would with any other art object. If you get a little metal stand, it's usually for displaying plates or bowls, like decoratively. It works great for these rocks. Some people use them as a companion to other garden art. For instance, my friend Billy here really loves this painted rock mounted on a pedestal. He thinks it looks like a mushroom or a toadstool or whatever. So, he loves hanging out. And then, really the sky's the limit, subject to your creativity, how else you want to use it. Now, I really love using them on the bookshelves because I think they really make a nice accent amongst the books. But it's totally up to you. But anyway, so that's some ideas you could have. So if you're interested in purchasing some art like that, let me know. You can contact me through Facebook or Instagram. Joe Rocks Coronado is how you can find me. Just search for that, and and we'll talk prices now. If you don't live in San Diego area, shipping, I have no idea how much it's going to cost to ship one of these, but what I will promise you is that I will go to one of the local packing stores and find the safest way to ship one of these, because I wouldn't want them to get damaged in the process of shipping, because these are not small rocks, and I wouldn't say they're expensive for a piece of art, but they are on the side of the more expensive rocks that I sell. So anyway, if you're interested, feel free to give me a shout. Joe Rocks Coronado, Facebook, Instagram, and also my YouTube channel, of course. So thanks for your time, and keep rocking out there.